Good evening. This is Kiran, Assistant Commandant from 10th NDRF Vijayawada. So I am here at MRC Maritime Research Centre for this 3-day course on underwater domain awareness. So this is the very first time we have come across this domain, underwater domain. Yeah, this underwater domain awareness program definitely enriched our skills in a way that going back to our NDRF battalion, will be able to uh, actually appreciate underwater ecology and the community, how the community is dependent on the underwater, the ecology of the ecology and resources of the water. So this is one perspective we are gaining here, a new perspective. Apart from this, as a rescuer, we are in NDRF. We do rescue operations, aquatic for all the aquatic disasters. So this awareness definitely helps us, gives us one new perspective to explore. Right. Then there are few tools we have come across here. We need to see actually how they will be relevant to us. Okay. Then coming to the workshop, this is today molded for some like 4 different organizations. This is made for 4 different organizations. Maybe in the future that we have been discussing about this, um, this can be made for similarly placed organizations, right? Then, yeah, I want to tell you this thing, that the faculty, the team of this MRC is doing great job. They're all prepared. Okay, something I come across today, one line. If you prepare, the ocean also embraces you. Okay, if you, it devours the forgotten. Okay, so understand the intensity of this line, and in life, be prepared so that you'll be actually uh, you can face any challenge. Okay, so these are the very good things I learned here. Then, yeah, congratulations to the MRC team. Uh, they are doing great job, fabulous job. You are doing research work, and this definitely going to, somehow secures our coastlines. Okay, I believe this is going to secure our coastlines. The security, on the day one itself, we have discussed about safety, security of our oceans and coastline. Okay, so this will add a one more horizon to our security establishments we have. Thank you.
एमआरसी के द्वारा 3 दिन का वर्कशॉप अंडर वाटर डोमेन अवेयरनेस पर चलाई गई, जिसमें कि कई डिपार्टमेंट्स के ऑफिसर्स ने भाग लिया, जिसमें एनडीआरएफ, बीएसएफ, आईसीएमआर और फिशरीज़ के लोग थे। तो ये वर्कशॉप काफ़ी ज्ञानवर्धक रहा। इस वर्कशॉप में मुख्य रूप से ओशन एनवायरनमेंट इकोलॉजी के बारे में काफ़ी बताया गया। क्या चैलेंजेस हैं ओशन इकोलॉजी की, हम किस प्रकार से उसका संरक्षण कर सकते हैं, तो इन सभी पहलुओं पर विचार किया गया और ये काफ़ी ज्ञानवर्धक वर्कशॉप रही है। और एनडीआरएफ के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, चूँकि एनडीआरएफ को वाटर बॉडीज़ में काफ़ी रेस्क्यू करना पड़ता है, तो वाटर बॉडीज़ के अंदर किस प्रकार का एनवायरनमेंट है और किन किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, उन चीज़ों से भी हमको पता चला। धन्यवाद।
रामकुंड स्वामी, डिप्टी कमांड 12 एनडीआरएफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश से हूँ। अभी जो 2 दिन से हमारा कोर्स चल रहा है, इस कोर्स में हमको अंडर वाटर डोमेन अवेयरनेस के बारे में बहुत बारीकी से बताया गया है। हम लोग को बताया गया है कि कैसे जो है पृथ्वी का अधिकतम हिस्सा जो है समुद्र है, समुद्र के अंदर भी जो अधिकतम हिस्सा है वो सतह के नीचे है। तो बहुत बारीकी से हमको उसका महत्व बताया गया, उसके सामरिक महत्व, आर्थिक महत्व, हर तरीके से हमें बारीकी से बताया गया। जैव विविधता को लेके हमको बहुत जागरूक किया गया और अभी निश्चित ही तौर पर ये कहूँगा कि ये कोर्स हमारे लिए आगे जब भी हम हमारा एनडीआरएफ का जो अधिकतम काम होता है वो हमारा वाटर बॉडीज के साथ होता है, अधिकतम डिजास्टर्स वहीं होते हैं। तो जब भी हम लोग किसी वाटर बॉडी के नज़दीक जाएंगे तो वहाँ की जैव विविधता को लेकर के, वहाँ का जो जनता को लेकर के हम बहुत सेंसिटिव रहेंगे और इस विषय के बारे में अपने लोगों को जागरूक करेंगे और इसमें और आगे अध्ययन करेंगे हम। थैंक यू।
Well, good evening. I'm Nitish Zaman, second command from BSF. We came here on this 3-day workshop on underwater domain awareness conducted by Maritime Research Centre. I find this course to be very, very fruitful, useful, and it's a food for thought. What is required to be done as responsible citizens of this country, of society rather, I would say. I won't limit it to the country. And not only this course is very useful for armed forces, or for that matter, the forces which are presently deployed on oceans or maritime areas like BSF, NDRF, and every person is still need to know a lot about this course. And I would like to add, this course is so well organized by under the aegis of Commander Das and his effective team, the efficient team you have. And few sessions have been given and they were very well taken by the organization, MRC. And I would recommend this course that every citizen must know this new concept, and it's a food for thought for all of us. Thank you very much and congratulations. Thanks.
या मैं प्रदीप वर्मा 2IC 65 बटालियन BSF। मैं यहाँ पे 3 डेज़ का मैरीटाइम रिसर्च सेंटर पुणे में अंडर वाटर डोमेन अवेयरनेस के ऊपर कोर्स करने के लिए आया था। आई फाउंड द प्रोग्राम टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी यूजफुल. इट हैज़ बीन कंडक्टेड इन एन एक्सीलेंट मैनर by the Commander Arnav Das, retired from Indian Navy, and his learner team of engineers and experts. A feedback was asked in which my suggestion was that we can definitely conduct this course with the domain expertise for different organizations instead of clubbing with a variety of organizations like fisheries, NDRF, BSF coming together. The classroom acoustics and sitting arrangements can be a little bit better. However, overall we are going back educated on a new subject, and I wish all the very best to the team of MRC. Thank you.
One thing that I would like to suggest is that we should have done something wet lab, like some data extraction or some data creation and analysis of that data. So that would have helped us. Now we know what is to be done, but how it is to be done, that we would like to learn. And if you can give that on the e-learning module of the IGOP, that would also be okay. So for that we can do. Whatever we have seen, I think it is the tip of the iceberg. Yeah. There is lot of things that are there to be done, and we'll be applying it in water bodies, in rivers, in ponds, and even for ease, and there is a no man's land also between Bangladesh and Andamans. So who owns that? Now we'll be fighting, maybe even between the ASEAN. So that those questions have come up. So how do you tackle them? How do you protect them? How do you conserve them? So conservation, sustainable utilization is one of our mandate of our MBA. So we now can think forward of who to collaborate with, who has the resources, how to do the patrolling, or who to take help of. So all those things are
firstly, we welcome and thanks to MRC team for the tremendous job to presentation. I emphasize 3 points from my side. First is maritime strategy. As we all aware that there is long coastal line. To support the Sagar region, yes, government has vision of Sagar, security and growth for all the region. So we have to present some slides regarding the Sagar vision so that can understand each area. It was a new topic for us also. And the second is economic security, because the long coastal line is how to safeguard assets like underwater infrastructures as we are now. The third one is operational environment. Sir, the tropical water of the Indian Ocean pose unique challenges for underwater sensor and marshal. So if your team has some collection of data that shows, it's better for us.
Sure.
I'm feeling grateful and privileged to attend all these sessions. There are certainly engaging and enriching to all of us. So here I want to actually already few of our officers have remarked about these things, that making the workshop, planning the workshop going forward in future for the relevant, similarly placed groups. That is one thing that you have already we have discussed. One query I have about AUVs, autonomous underwater vehicles. So, can we actually in NDRF use those vehicles, AUVs? And like I will tell you one scenario, not two, that in NDRF we come across muddy waters. Sometimes it is normal urban nala also, arena. So in those things also someone is falling, accidentally or somehow. We need to record the body. Okay. Then this kind of manual work our Jawan is doing, have to do. So in such scenarios, can we use these things and in such a confined space that be useful? And cost effectiveness also. The government has to be ready to spend so much of money. So I want to know more about that. Thank you.
This underwater domain awareness training program is very good program, training program arranged by MRC, and this framework has given a new idea for as we have talked before also during the program session that how can we connect our models in this framework. So in this we will like to connect once again with you, with the department team and MRC team, and I'm congratulating and thanking all this MRC team and others, also Ayush and all this team for conducting this workshop training program. Thank you.
मी एक सांगू इच्छितो की एक जे ॲप काढणार APY जो ॲप आहे त्याचा खूप उपयोग होईल जे की आपले फिश फार्मिंग करणार आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी की कशी आपल्याला त्या फिश फार्मिंगमध्ये गुणवत्ता वाढवता येईल, उत्पादन कसं वाढवता येईल त्या बाबतीत जर त्या ॲपमुळं जर त्या फार्मरला कळालं की त्याच्यात किती ऑक्सिजनची लेवल आहे, टेम्परेचर किती आहे, त्याच्याप्रमाणे तो जी कंटेंट त्याच्यात टाकणार आहे ते त्याला कळेल आणि त्याची गुणवत्ता वाढेल की तेवढं त्या बाबतीत चांगलं प्रोडक्शन पण वाढेल. त्याबद्दल ॲप वाढला आणि मी त्याबद्दल आमच्या फिशरमनला सांगेन की तुम्ही त्याचा उपयोग करा. बट कसं आहे म्हणजे त्या ॲपमध्ये पूर्ण इंग्लिश आहे, इकडले जे फिशरमन्स आहेत ती वेल एज्युकेटेड नाही. सो त्यांना ते ॲप कळण्यासाठी जर मराठीत निघालं तर ते माझ्याकडून सजेशन असेल की मराठीत किंवा कुठल्याही लँग्वेजमध्ये जसं की इंडियात भरपूर कुठल्या लँग्वेज आहेत त्या लँग्वेजमध्ये जरी काढलं तर त्यांच्या उपयोगात पडेल की त्यांना समजेल ही त्या बाबतीत. तेवढं फक्त माझं सजेशन होतं आणि तो ॲप खूप चांगला आहे, तर तुम्ही सांगेन पण आमच्या इकडे करणार. थँक्यू.